Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TinyURL for safe LinkedIn link sharing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin authorizing TinyURL for safe LinkedIn link sharing, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type tinyurl.com and press enter. Once the TinyURL homepage loads, look for the Create TinyURL option. Click on this option to proceed. You'll see a field where you can enter the link you want to shorten. Copy the URL from your LinkedIn profile or any content you want to share. Paste this URL into the provided field on TinyURL. Next, look for the option that says Custom Alias if you want to personalize your link. Enter your preferred alias. Make sure it's unique and relevant to your content. Now, check the box for Shorten with tinyurl.com to ensure safety. This option will help verify the link is genuine when shared. After filling in the required details, click on the Make TinyURL button. Wait a moment while your shortened link is generated. Once ready, you will see your new TinyURL displayed on the screen. Copy this shortened link while ensuring it's highlighted. Next, navigate to your LinkedIn account in a new tab. Choose where you want to share your link, such as in a post or message. Paste your TinyURL link into the relevant section. Before posting, double-check the link to ensure it directs to the correct content. Finally, share your post or message with your newly authorized TinyURL. Your LinkedIn connections can now access the content safely through your shortened link. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.